In taxation law, if taxation law is your thing, come to the Sydney Law School because there's a variety of different pathways for exploring your interest in tax. You can do the straight Masters of Law and choose taxation units should you wish. You can do the Masters of Tax, or you can even now do the Masters of International Tax. And the Masters of International Tax reflects the fact that taxation today is not simply about what one government does. Companies are operating in a multinational context, and it's critically important that you understand comparative and international tax law so you can understand where your tax liabilities may fall.
The tax law program is pretty diverse. We've got a lot of options for people who come from different backgrounds, with different experience to their study, and who expect to go to different places. So you can come to us wanting to do a little bit of tax, thinking that you're going to work in commercial practice. Or you can come to us because you're working in government and you want to get much more detailed information and spend the whole of your life lost in the detail. And somewhere between those two, we think we can cater for pretty much everyone. One of the distinctive features of the Sydney Tax program is the extent of our connections with international academics and practitioners. So if you think about Australia's economy, we get a lot of investment into Australia from the US, UK, China, and we've got a lot of investment into the US, UK, China. So we've got courses on the tax systems of the US, the UK, China. We also have deep roots into the profession in Australia, and so we get some of the best practitioners in Australia to come and teach entire courses or guest lectures on their areas of specialty. So our students can be exposed to a wide range of life experiences from their lecturers. We think one of the key features of our program is that people come away with a great set of analytical skills. They've got a good comprehensive knowledge of the rules, but they're able to critique and evaluate and analyse and disassemble and reassemble the way the rules will work in the real world. We think that it is as much about training people's minds as filling them up with a whole bunch of current rules. We think our graduates come away with a really developed sense of what's driving the current state of thinking and where they can expect the systems to move in the future. They can predict, they can critique, they can evaluate.